This is the MegaMobil Mega Classic campervan, Citroen base, 6 meters. It is a rather standard campervan, which will cost €75,000. Let's have a look inside and a walk around. So it's a sort of a no frills look, and very similar to many other vehicles. Now with campervans, the Fiat Ducato campervan, as I call it, although this is on a Citroen, it's you sort of choose them on details. Often the details are in the washroom above all. In this case, let's have a look at some of the details here. Okay, this is very similar. 2 hobs placed quite far apart, which is now becoming more and more the standard in these vehicles. Small sink, which is the same as just about in all of them. And here we've got this large area, or say a work area maybe, for preparing things in the kitchen. In other vehicles you might see storage units or even larger fridges or the like going up there. One area which does differ from brand to brand is the carpentry. This one here has got proper walls there and there, and let's have a look down here as well. So it depends on what you're sort of looking for. This here, can't see the point of that, but there may be some, okay, for storage. Talked about proper walls. Here we don't see proper walls, it's only got at the bottom. And now the thing about having shorter walls obviously is the thing about weight, but I think as the vehicle's moving around, you need to have something to stop things shaking under there. Here's the fridge. Let's go into the shower. Okay, it's got a nice ductboard. Unfortunately, there's only one drainage hole. Just going to check that one. There you go. And it's a small one at that. This Perspex is the best one, I think, on the market in all washrooms. It's very tough. I could do without it myself, but then not everybody can. Storage up there. Unfortunately, the mirror is at a lower position, so you can't really see. You can see my stomach, but can't see my face. So unless I'm shaving my stomach, I'm gonna have to come down like that. Storage up there. There is here, there's 230, so when you're on a hookup, and here we've got the light switch, which is turned off because I understand why, because they have power coming from outside, which probably wouldn't be what you'd have when you're using the vehicle. Sink comes out like that. Once more, unfortunately, it's a small, but it does have the ability to sort of stop things falling down. Storage below, in which there is some Thetford Aqua Chem concentrated lavender, which is, I personally like the smell of it. I know most people don't, but I think it's really nice. Also, the lavender smell, you put enough in it, it'll go through the entire vehicle, and it will keep mosquitoes out. There you go. Now you can see I could stand up in the shower. Okay, I'll even turn the thing around so you can see me standing up in the shower. There's me. About a 6 meters camper van, so you can't really expect too much. Bit of height, bit there, and close the door, sliding door. I've got a space across like that. And there's the sliding door in action. Right, coming to the back, storage above. And there's the bed, one window, and no window on the other side. And let's now come to the back of the vehicle, see what's there. Storage over the bulkhead, which is something which I personally I could do without. Can't complain at kitchen workspace. Okay, here, as with all camper vans, this will come up, and here, see under the, so it's hinged there, so it will go up in this direction. Here we've got the gas cupboard. Currently being used for carrying other things around in. And this Hoover is being in action. Because people have to clean this stand up. There you go, Mega Classic from MegaMobil. Sort of a standard type camper van. You'll have a look at this one here. So it's the same length, Mega Sport, but the difference here is in the bed layout. And sorry, it's not the same. That's 636 centimeters long. This is going to cost, getting on for 90,000 euros. Okay. Okay, take your backpack off. Right, I'll take my backpack off and come inside. So if you wanted something that's a bit longer, you can see what it looks like here. What's good about this one though, if you need lengthwise beds because you're a bit taller, you can get it from here. And as you can see, it's in two parts. So you've got a huge amount of storage down here. Washroom is the same. But what this does, got this bed that will come down. Let's go and have a look at the bed. There's the bed, and there is the plug. There's the way of taking it down. Press the button. Doesn't go down. Why not? Because it needs a key. So if you've got the key, you can make the bed go down. But anyway, you've got a lot of space in something like that. A huge amount of storage space. So that's one solution. Alternatively, you can have a lounge with a bed up there. And when you've got this solution, that gives an example. You've got this bed and it gives lots of space. But for this, you are looking at 37 centimeters and at least 10,000 euros more. So I'll take you down here. And so here it is, Mega Classic camper van, 6-meter camper van. Thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.